two types of fish. She has cute fish and she has Escovitch fish. I would have Escovitch fish. So I'm going to go ahead and sample my fish. And we're going to sample our fish and we're going to see how the fish tastes. And we're going to give feedback. And we're going to just chat it up. Alright? Remember I said on the fish you can add, if you want to put your green onions, your bell pepper, you can add carrots on it. Whatever you want to make your fish. But for the base, you see how to make it. Alright, let's go try the fish. Okay.
Good. I'm having brown stew. Amazing.
This Escovitch is good. You can taste the onion. You can taste the pepper on it. The vinegar. Oh, good.
Brown stew fish is the bomb. I have Escovitch fish too, but I had to try it. It's like really good. Bell peppers with it and white rice. Amazing.
And the onions are just right.
Crunchy.
Nice and crunchy. Oh.
Here it is with the Escovitch fish. I'm gonna try a piece. So good. I love the onions. Just like super crunchy. And most people will hate onions, but if you do it like this, oh my God, you'll love it. You're gonna constantly eat it. So good. Just before you leave, just take some peppermint or go brush your teeth because your mouth's gonna smell like onion. But other than that, it's amazing. It's so good.
It's so good.
It's like you can't talk and eat at the same time.
It's so good. You can substitute the fish. Instead of snapper fish, you can put your salmon fish in, your fish fillet on it, whatever fish you like, with the same ingredients.
Yeah. It's so good. I can hear your onions crunching. It's like really good. Oh my God, I just ate a piece of pepper. Super hot. Oh my God. If you don't eat pepper, don't do it. Don't put it in there. You're gonna be dying.
It gives you that flavor though. Nice flavor.
A lot of people don't like those hot peppers, but it's so good to cook. Even if you don't cut it up and you just put it in a pot, and when it's like bubbling, you just take it out. It still gives a flavor. Good.
Y'all got to try this. And try it at home. It's a good healthy dish. Just try it at home.
You don't need to eat anything with it. It's so good.
That's it.
Be careful, there's bones. A lot of bones.
Yeah, a lot of bones in the snapper fish.
So good.
It's so good.
We have to do this again. This was amazing. We do. I've picked something else and cook.
Don't just say that because you're my friend, okay? I need your honest opinion.
Oh my God, I'm giving you my honest opinion. If it was horrible, I would be like, this is gross. No. It's just so, it's just really, really good. Real good.
It's good.
And I love Escovitch fish, so I always like, when I do it, it always like really, it don't come out the way how yours is. Yours is way better and crunchy. And it's really good. So that's why I'm like, you did a good job. It came out really good.
Thank you.
That's why I was like, I have to cook at your house. To see the difference. I guess because I don't have a deep pot to fry stuff, and I don't really like to fry things.
Well, you can come by anytime. Anytime you want. You tell me, okay, I'm ready to cook. Bring all your ingredients and we'll cook together.
Yeah. The next thing we're gonna try, I really want to cook like a Trinidadian dish. And I'm trying to figure out what kind of Trinidadian dish, because everybody thinks that it's just, we're doing like all Caribbean. And I'm half British, half Caribbean, half Jamaican, half Trinidad. So it's like a whole bunch of mix up.
They're all mixing there.
So we're just gonna put all of the bacchanal together and just stir it up.
I'm just Jamaican. I don't know any other roots or anything, just Jamaican.
So I'm like, cause my friend was asking me, hey, you should cook some Trinidadian stuff. And I'm like what? So I'm like, well, I don't like sauce, so that's not gonna happen.
I like sauce.
You like sauce? I don't eat cow foot. I think that's why.
But it's sauce with the chicken foot.
Yeah, but well, Jamaicans use chicken foot. Trinidadian use cow foot.
Okay. I use chicken foot.
It's
My best friend showed me how to make sauce.
Oh, I don't do sauce. No, I don't like it. Pilau, yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Pilau? Pilau is everything in all in one pot. Chicken, carrots, onions, bell peppers, and rice. And it's cooked, steamed down all together.
Like fried rice?
No. It's like rice and peas, but it's chicken and everything into it.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you need to come and show me how to make those dishes.
Yeah. So it's like, there's so many. I wish my aunt didn't pass away last year. It would be so cool. She would be like, yes, I'm in for that. Definitely. And she would have been here. But everything I think about sauce, that's the first person that pops in my head.
I like sauce.
That's the first person that popped in my head.
Probably because I like chicken foot. The chicken foot mixed with cucumber and stuff.
I've never had it.
I like sauce.
But my aunt, she did sauce with cow foot and she had cucumbers and I'm like, oh, thank you.
It's good.
She was like, you don't eat cow foot?
They said it's good for a hangover. Getting drunk, soak up all that drunk.
Because it has so many fat on it.
Yes, soak
That's
it up.
the reason why. And after you have a baby too,
What did it do?
it puts back your body. Because
snatch it back? Guys, get sauce. All the pregnant women out there, and you want your body to be snatched back, go make you some Trini sauce.
That's what my mom always gave me. I was like, this is disgusting. She's like, eat it. I was like, ugh. And then eventually I asked her, why do I need to eat that? And then she told me. And I was like, oh, I didn't know that. And she's like, yeah. It makes your body goes back the way it was.
Every part of your body? Like down to the cooch?
Yeah.
Oh. Get that sauce.
She said the cooch.
The cooch. You need to get that sauce. Everything's snatched right back.
That's pretty cool. I was like, Mom, you're just pulling my leg. She said, no, seriously. I said, okay. But I'm not a big fan of cow foot. Even when I went to home for Christmas and she cooked it, it looked so good. It smells amazing.
It smells good. It tastes good. I love
Oh my God.
I love eating cow foot.
And she's like, oh, you're going to have it tonight for dinner. I was like, Mom, seriously. Onions are so good. And I've never did it with vinegar by itself. And I think that's the reason why. I can taste everything.
Everything. Like I don't use water. Just all vinegar I put in mine. Make all this soak in. Then you pour it over the fish. Let it soak in on the fish. You can let it sit overnight if you want to.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can do like what we just did because we were so impatient for wanting to eat. We just do it and eat. But you can let it sit overnight. Sometimes it tastes much better when it's all soaked in all the spice. It's hot, the vinegar flavor, with onion. It's really good.
The pepper.
This is a dish that we make in Jamaica, mostly for Easter. Easter Sunday dish. We do Escovitch fish with festival or bami or something like that. Great dish.
My kids tried bami. Is it the round one you fry?
Mm-hmm.
They tried it for the first time for Christmas. Oh my God.
You loved it?
They wouldn't stop. They had it with jerk chicken and they were killing jerk chicken. And it was spicy and hot and they were eating it.
Yeah, it's good.
I was like,
Bami is good.
wow.
See, I'm already done. Doesn't tell you how good this dish was. I'm already done eating.
You're good.
And man, that's to eat it.
Oh yeah. I can't eat fast. I'm so sorry, everybody.
I have my wine.
I can't. Oh yeah, we should cheers. You did a good job.
Good job. So, and then if you haven't seen my jerk chicken video, I already made a jerk chicken video. If you want to know how to make jerk chicken, best jerk chicken there is, just go look at that video, like it, and comment on there and let me know what you think of that one. Okay?
Yes.
You still eat it?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh gosh,
I
so
can't eat
slow.
fast.
Oh, but it was good fish though. It was nice. It was fresh fish. Sometimes you can taste the fish when it's like.
I just ate a hot pepper again.
Enough. Aww. I always feel the burn. Just take a spoon of rice or something. Spoon of rice. Let it just feel it. Just feel it.
Oh my God, that's not cool.
Just feel it. Just feel it. It's okay. The wine is not going to help you. You just keep doing it. Guys, there you have it. We making or we eating our steamed fish, brown stew fish, and our Escovitch fish. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. Like,
lots
subscribe,
and lots and lots of like.
Share.
Share.
And then click that bell to let me know. Let you know when you get a new notification from me. Alright, and I'll see you guys in the next video.